Okay, let's see how you did with shape B. So this tells us that we should graph the point 2, negative 2. So that's over to the right 2 and then down 2. There's 2, negative 2. And then 3, negative 2. To the right 3 and down 2. There's 3, negative 2. And then 2, negative 3. To the right 2 and down 3. And then finally 3, negative 3. To the right 3, down 3. And you can see that we've made a nice little square there. Alright, so our length is 1 unit. And our width is also 1 unit. Our perimeter then would be 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, or 4. And our area then, let's make sure we label this units. Our area would be 1 times 1, or 1 square unit. So I hope that went well for you. All right, let's look at the next one. It's a little more of a challenge. So we're going to graph the 3 points we have, and then we have to put in the 4th point. So let's check this out. We've got negative 5, 3. So we're going to go backwards 5, and then up 3. 1, 2, 3. Then negative 5, negative 2. Backwards 5, and down 2. Then positive 2, negative 2. So to the right 2 and down 2, and we're right on this point that we've already graphed there. And then we have to supply our next point. So we want to choose the point that will allow us to complete this rectangle, which if you go over until you get to this spot, you can see it's right there. So let's figure out what point that is. That's over 2 and up 3. So the new point we need to complete our rectangle is 2, 3. All right. So we've got our, let's go ahead and draw this in. Make sure we actually made a rectangle. Let's count our length. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We've got a length of 7. Let's count our width. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, a width of 5. So we know that our perimeter is 7 plus 5, and then I can just multiply that by 2, right? Okay, so 7 plus 5 times 2 would be 12 times 2, which is 24 units for our perimeter. And then our area then would be 7 times 5, and that'll give us 35 square units for our area. All right, we're going to stop this video now, and we'll practice more with this in class.